In this video, we will show you how to send files with JD-Link Connect and John Deere Wireless Data Transfer, and how to save them on a USB stick. Open up the Tools bar. Click on the Files hub. Here you can see all files that you have created in the Operations Center. There is the possibility to filter files by Setup, Prescription, Doc Files, Harvest ID, or PDF. In the tab Queue, you can see current status of your files. Under the tab Archive, you can store and delete files. Let's go back to the Files tab. Here you have different icons. You can share files. Download them, for example, to your desktop to save them on a USB stick. Or you can send files directly to a machine if the machine is equipped with JD-Link Connect and Wireless Data Transfer. Store files in the archive, or reprocess files. To send a file to a machine with wireless data transfer, select the one that you want to share. In our example, we want to send a setup file directly to a machine. As soon as we click on the Send File icon, a pop-up with all of our machines, which are equipped with JD-Link Connect and Wireless Data Transfer, will appear. Select the machine that you want the file to be sent to, and click on Send. In the column Recent Activity, you get a confirmation that the file was transferred to the machine. Now you can click on the file to receive general information. Activity will tell you the current status and if the file was already sent. You can also send it directly from the Operations Center to your machine. And you can share it, or assign a file to a specific partner.